Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft. Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook. Richard Branson, creator of Virgin Group. What do they all have in common? Yes, they're among the richest, most influential people in the world. But there's something deeper, something few of us think about. They all avoided the trap, a trap that most of us willingly walk into, believing it's the only way to succeed. The education trap? The system, one that shapes your life from the moment you're born. The Prussian origin story. The modern education system isn't new. It's a relic of the 1800s when Prussia lost a war. Instead of blindly following orders, their leaders realized their soldiers thought too much. So, they created a system to train obedient citizens and soldiers. A system where creativity was a threat and conformity was king. So, wake up. You've been sold a dream that hard work, a degree, and a stable job will make you happy. But look around. Childhood dreams versus system reality. Remember when you were a child, you dreamed without limits. An astronaut, an artist, a builder of worlds. Then the system stepped in, handing you textbooks and saying, this is what matters. This is your world now. Math, chemistry, history. Memorize it, pass the test, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get a job. Dark truth of education system exposed. Millions march to jobs they hate every morning, paying off debts for things they don't need. They are trapped and chained by a system designed to keep them obedient. Do you think this was an accident? This system wasn't made to inspire greatness. It was built to control, to mold you into a cog in someone else's machine. Industrial Revolution and the factory model. Factory owners faced a problem during the Industrial Revolution. They needed workers, and what better way to train factory workers than through schools? Sit down, follow instructions, work hard, never question. This wasn't education. It was a production line for obedient employees, and the system hasn't changed much since. The modern reality. You spend 20 years in school, college, and coaching centers. Your parents pay lakhs in fees. You sacrifice your dreams for marks. And when you finally graduate, you find yourself in a job that barely pays your bills. You take loans for a house, a car, your children's education. And before you know it, you're trapped, working a job you don't love, living paycheck to paycheck, just to survive. But you're not a cog. You're a creator. You're here to innovate, to lead, to build. And yet, you spend your life chasing grades, approvals, and promotions. The way out. The system was designed for another era. It doesn't work anymore. Today, you don't need a degree to succeed. You need skills. You need passion. And you need the courage to step outside the box and choose unconventional career options. So, stop. Reclaim your life. Learn a skill that excites you. Build something that matters. Question everything. Take risks. The world needs ideas, passion, and courage. So ask yourself, will you live for their approval or your dreams? You have two choices. Stay trapped in the system or break free and create your path. The choice is yours. But don't wait too long. The clock is ticking. Subscribe to our channel and join the revolution.